Hi Nate, I hope you are doing well. Uh, Let me just quickly show you how you can unblock the file first. Whatever file you are downloading from internet, you have to actually go to the properties, and here you will see an unblock button which you need to check mark and then press OK button. Let me just quickly give you the idea how you you can have this one. Let's say this is the file that you have downloaded from internet. For the purpose of seeing the macros and working on it, you have to actually go to the properties, uh, unblock the file first. That's okay. Now, when you open the file, there is another thing that you need to do, that is to enable content. After that, you will be able to see the macros. For that, you can press the Alt F8 button, and you can see the macro is here. You can press the edit button to go to the Visual Basic Editor window. Here you can see the updated macro is already here. I have added a randomize option here where it will randomize email sending around 1 to 60 minutes. And let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.